Good afternoon. My name is John Rubo, Technical Representative with Ultraseal International. This afternoon we'll be discussing the proper methods for installing Ultraseal Tire Sealant in passenger automobiles, light trucks, and any vehicle, including large vehicles, where we have access to the valves. Today we're going to use a manual valve core remover and a deluxe airtight valve core remover for our procedure. First, we're going to identify the tire size, which is stamped on the side of the tire, and we're going to refer to our technical service bulletin, which is going to tell you the exact dosage. We're going to remove our valve core by taking the valve cap off. We're going to use this tool, which has a slot which lines up with the slot in the valve core. We simply turn it, it'll click. We remove the valve. Affix our airtight chuck to the tire. Our pump has graduations that match the application chart, so you have a scale that will indicate how many ounces or units that you're putting in. In this case, this tire requires approximately 12 ounces, so that would be 3 strokes. 1, 2, 3. And of course I've opened up the shutoff. Next we'll shut it, remove our chuck, and we're going to reinstall core. It's as simple as that. The alternate method is to use the airtight valve core remover tool. In this case, the tool grabs the valve core out of the valve and pulls it up into this chamber where it's out of the flow of fluid. So we attach it, remove the core. As we spin it, the pressure pushes the core back in the chamber, and then we repeat the same procedure where we simply pump the product in and reinstall the core. It's as simple as that, and you're done.